Ever dream of starting your own business with a modest investment? Today we're spotlighting the top franchises under $50,000 where affordability meets entrepreneurial opportunity. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification for the latest and cost-effective franchising opportunities. Now, let's explore the best franchises under 50K. First up, you have JanPro Cleaning and Disinfection with a business investment of $5K to $38,000 and franchise fee of $15,000. JanPro offers an entry into commercial cleaning industry with over 9,000 locations through the United States. They've cemented themselves as the leader in the space. Next is Jazzercise Fitness and Dance franchise investment anywhere between $2K and $41,000, franchise fee of $1,200. They have 55 locations throughout the United States. We're going through these franchises and they are listed by number of units for franchises under $50,000. Note there are franchises with an investment less than 50K that do have a high closure rate, so do your own due diligence, but we're going through some of the largest franchise systems in this criteria. Third, we got Vanguard Cleaning Systems, specialize in eco-friendly cleaning. Vanguard has an investment range of $7K to $23,000. Franchise fees modest at $35,000, over 2,300 locations throughout the United States. Are you looking at exploring franchise opportunities further? Feel free to visit our franchise listings where you can sort by investment range to see what franchises are in your budget. And again, if you have $50,000 cash, you can sort through what you would invest for full cash investment, but you could also lever up with an SBA loan to invest up to $300K, $400K in a franchise. In the fourth place, you got Cruise Planners, a home-based travel agency network, investment range anywhere from $2,000 to $23,000, franchise fees about $6,000. They have over 2,500 locations. Another one in the travel space, last up is Cruiseone, cruise and land vacations, $2K to $21,000, franchise fee of $5K. They have 1,700 locations. And again, remember, lower investment franchises might offer a quicker ROI, but they come with higher risk. A lot of these are churn and burn, where there are franchisees that come in and do really well, and there's franchisees that come in and don't do well at all, and the contract's rescinded. So keep your eyes out for these low investment opportunities. There's oftentimes not a great vetting process by the franchisor, and they're willing to take a chance on anyone that has the capital. So we have all the data on the openings and closures for these brands, including the 5 I mentioned in today's video. So franchising can be a great way to cement your entrepreneurial dreams, but do your due diligence. Total unit count is just one of the factors, and it's a factor that we use to go through these 5 franchise opportunities under 50K today.